Hey there, folks. How you doing today? Michael Zuber, One Rental at a Time. And hey, I wanted to create this video for all of the wholesalers, realtors, anybody doing direct marketing to what you call sellers. Couple of facts. I get 8 to 12 phone calls a day. I get 5 to 8 text messages a day. I get 20 postcards or letters a week. Wholesalers, realtors, both residential and commercial, I believe you guys are doing it wrong. Let's have that conversation. What do all of you say when you get a hold of me? Hey, Michael, want to sell house ABC? Hey, Michael, you want to sell apartment 123? What else have you told me over the years? All the good wholesalers, all the good realtors tell me it takes 8 contacts or touches before you sign a contract. So you all need to change your mindset, in my opinion. You need to come at this from an area of service, not quick sell. I think your mindset is wrong. I think the mindset of wholesalers has been developed 3, 4, 5 years ago when the market was very different. A lot of the wholesalers that you guys follow are teaching you things that worked 5 or 6 years ago. The market is different. Inventory is low. The press is now hot on real estate, not dead on real estate. If it truly takes you 8 to 10 touches to get a deal, I strongly suggest you change your mindset. And it starts with this. When I ask any wholesaler, when I occasionally speak with them, they call me and basically say, are you selling ABC 123? You need to stop that. If it really takes 8 touches to get a deal, you need to stop calling me asking in 10 seconds if I'm selling 123 ABC. You need to come at it from value. You need to build a bridge with me because right now, all of you are the same. You all are just cheap son of a guns who want to steal one of my properties. That's what you want. And that's, I guarantee you, any owner who has more than 1 or 2 units, we think that now. We have been getting your phone calls we've been getting postcards for 5 or 6 years. We've been getting phone calls for 2 or 3 years, and we've been getting text messages for the last year. All of you are doing the same dumb shit. Stop it. What you need to do is change it up. What you need to do is say, hey, I don't know. Basically, what you need to do is you need to stop treating me as a seller. What do you all do? I'm calling sellers. I'm calling sellers. I'm calling sellers. No, you're not. You're not calling sellers. You're calling owners. All the sellers that were desperate have sold. You're calling owners. You need to change your message. You need to change your cadence. You need to change what you're saying and doing. You need to be a provider of value. You need to be someone that I add to my Rolodex just in case I get in a bad situation and I need to sell quick. You need to call and say, hey, Michael, I'm an investor in Fresno. And did you know? Have you seen? Now, why wouldn't you do that? Because most of you think if you tell me good news or facts, I'm going to raise my price. Nothing could be further from the truth. You need to stop thinking that way. That's a negative mindset. You are trying to build a bridge. You want me to pick up the phone and call you if I ever get in a bad place. If I ever become a frustrated landlord, I know who to call. That's what you need to be. You need to follow up and you need to make me want to call you back. And I promise you, Michael, do you want to sell property 123? That's not how to get me to call back. I've gotten that message 500 or 600 times. Stop it. You all are doing the same thing. You are wasting money on text, on postcards, cold callers from the Philippines. You guys are wasting money. Your message is wrong. Your mindset is wrong. You need to tweak what you were doing. It's all about top of funnel. How many people are you contacting? How many people can you follow up with? It takes 8 touch points. So change what touch point number 1 is. Encourage follow up, encourage information. Something I told one of the wholesalers in the hub in Fresno. I bought a building and I've staffed it with just rock solid individuals. I told them you need to provide value for out of town owners. So what I recommend doing when you find an owner that is having a conversation, go take a couple of nice pictures, get their email address and send it to them. If you have an out of state owner, you want to get me to follow up with you, go take a couple of nice pictures of the property and, maybe one ugly one in the neighborhood and say, hey, I don't know if you've seen your property in the last 2 years, but here it is. I would reply to that email. Even if I don't know you, if you took a picture of one of my properties and, told me 2 good news and 1 bad news, I would reply to you, thank you very much. I didn't know that. And when I get another email from you because you provided value, I'm probably going to respond. You're building a relationship. Folks, you are working in an environment where a house is likely someone's biggest purchase, and you are treating it like you're selling used shoes. Stop it. Your mindset is wrong. Your metrics are wrong. The market has changed and you are not changing. Wholesalers, you're wasting thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars because you are using yesterday's tools, yesterday's scripts. And if you don't change, this market of low inventory is going to bury you and you are going to go out of business. You are going to go broke and you're going to blame all of these past wholesalers who trained you. Not their fault. The market they learned in, the market they got good in was different. And most of them now are just selling education, right? That's what you guys don't realize. These folks that are selling all these education tools and thousands of dollars, they did it, but they did it in an entirely different world. Trust me, wholesaling houses 5 years ago were easier. We were coming out of a crash. People didn't have any money. It was desperate times. The hottest thing today is a clean house, man. No chance you sell to a wholesaler. Change your business or go broke. All right, folks. So that's what I have. I'd love to talk to a wholesaler and just break it down. Maybe we can interview one and really have those discussions. So if you are a wholesaler and you want to have a heart to heart and talk about how you should change your message, reach out to me, see what's going on. But again, I truly believe wholesalers, if you don't change your mindset, you're not calling sellers, you're calling owners. Change that, change your metrics, change what is interesting, and you could change your business. Take care. Bye-bye.